How to undo in Airtable. Hi everyone. In this video, I will teach you how you can undo in Airtable. So kindly watch to the end. The first step is to log in into your Airtable account. Once you are logged in, the next step is to locate the workspace, most option you would like to undo. Now, after locating the workspace and you selected the title base that you want to work with, I have brought to the workspace page. The next step is to move to the left side of the screen. By the left side of the screen, you can see different options, right? Yeah, such as the grid view. You can see create grid. You can see create form, calendar, etc. So the next option, the next step to take is to create an action first. All right, so that I can properly portray this to you. So you can create an option by clicking on this plus icon. Now, after clicking on this plus icon, another field has been added, right? Now, to undo this particular action I just did, all I need to do is to long press on Ctrl Z, then Windows. All right. So I said that earlier, all you need to do is to just long press on Ctrl Z and then Windows. As you can see, that action has been undone. So you can just keep on doing this as long as you can, and all of those actions would be undone. So this is how you can undo on Airtable. Very, very simple. And show you try it out today. And remember, all you need to do is to long press on Control on your keypad, then Z, then the Windows button. I hope this tutorial has been helpful. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.